What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Steve the Tech Bro, and today I come to you to do a good unboxing of the OSD Nero HTA5200. All right, it's time to see what's under the hood of this bad boy, and I must say I've been pretty excited to see what's under this hood of this mama. A box within the box. Ain't that something? All right, now that we have the box open, let's really see what's in this bad boy. They could put tons of cushion. They actually double boxed it to keep this thing in great condition. You do have your information guide. They have a QR code so you can get all the menus and everything electronically, which is super dope. I like that. You have the power cord, you know what I'm saying? As well as a 12-volt trigger. We'll talk about that a little later on. Now I'm gonna take this thing outside the box. It is about like 56 pounds. So give me a moment and I'm gonna show you what's in this thing. All right, so now that's outside the box. This is the front of the OSD Nero. That is the power button there, and this is a 5-channel amplifier. HTA is for home theater amplifier. 5 is for 5,000 for the 5 channels that it has. It has 5 amplifiers, and the 200 is for the 200 watts you get per channel. After doing some extensive research, I see that this is a Class AB amplifier at 210 watts at 4 ohms with all channels driven, and 145 watts at 8 ohms with all channels driven. All right, on the back here, we have the AC in cord. You have the power on and off here, and you do have the toggle switch. The toggle switch is for the 12-volt trigger switch. If you want to run your AVR into here, if you cut your AVR, you want the whole entire thing to cut on, you'll put it in the in. You can also do an out switch if you want to put an additional amplifier to run more channels. Mosey on down to this side, you see we have the RCA inputs. So we have 5 channels, so we have 5 RCA inputs here to put into your AVR receiver. You do have the XLR balanced ones. They also have for like low noise and less noise in the RCA switches here. And you have the 5 inputs from your AVR receiver for the all 5 channels on the back. And one thing I suggest that you always do when you're getting something like any audio equipment, especially an amplifier, even though it's cool to the touch and it really never overheats, but in some cases, depending what you're driving and what speakers you have, it could overheat. So I always get an AC Infinity fan. And I took and got the 17-inch one. The reason I got the 17-inch because it kind of covers the entire length of the amplifier. So if you see, if I put it right on top of here, it allows air to come through the top, and it sucks the air out of the amplifiers and takes the heat out and shoots it through the top. So I'll put it here, and if it's your first time ever having one of these bad boys, it tells you the entire instructions on which mode it is, the on and off mode, the auto mode, and the smart mode. I personally put it on a smart mode, and on the front here is a little lighting system. If it's orange at the front of it, it tells you it cuts on automatically once this amplifier reaches a certain temperature, and it'll suck the air out of these 3 fans out to the atmosphere and keep this bad boy cool the entire time. So I strongly recommend going with the AC Infinity fan. It will keep this thing cool, and it cuts on, and it's low noise. You can barely hear, especially when you have your surround sound bumping. You really know when this thing is on, but it'll keep your thing cool and keep your product with you for a very long time. Thanks for joining me on this unboxing of the OSD Nero HTA5200 amplifier and the AC Infinity fan to keep this bad boy cool. I'm gonna post a link to these products in the description below. As always, please like, share, subscribe. More videos to come, man. More videos to come. Stick with me. See the Tech Bro. I'm out.